Hi, I'm Dairy Franz. This is Krita, and in this lesson I'll show you how to copy the filter mask and add this absolutely the same mask to another layer. Okay, so let's say we have one layer and we'll add another one. I will paint something like that. Okay, and now for this new layer I did right click of my mouse, found add, click and add filter mask. It can be any, can be blur, can be artistic. Let it be, for example, adjustment mask. Let me move this window and you can see what I'm doing. And after using this mask, the picture will be like that. Okay. And now I want to add absolutely the same mask to my parrot. What can I do? I'm going to this filter mask layer and copying it. And then, now there are like two masks. So you see, it's one mask. This is without the masks. There are two masks added. Okay. And now I am moving one of those masks under the layer with my parrot. I selected it, click on it and holding left click of my mouse, dragging it under desired layer. Now see, I will turn off this layer and you can see how it works. So, we did it. Thank you. Hope to see you soon. Bye.